Wow.
This is the OV that we are trying to fix. I mean, not really fix, but we try to take it apart because it cannot play anymore. It's really, really old V, probably more than 10 years now.
But before we actually toss it out, my son and I had a sweet idea. Let's take it apart and give it a good clean.
Today, we're going to open it all.
He's been really hoping it might magically start working again. Alright, what your wish again?
For the Wii to fix.
Well, an hour later, with both of us elbow deep in screws and wires, we managed to take the whole thing apart and surprisingly, put it back together. Now, let me tell you, neither of us are technicians by any stretch of the imagination. We were mostly just curious to see what the inside of a Wii actually looks like. Honestly, we figured we had nothing to lose since it was already broken anyway. Definitely don't try this at home with your working consoles, by the way. And guess what? After our little exploration, a bit of dusting here and there, and putting everything back in its place, it actually seems to be working again.
And I'm going to play bullet game. That's so fun.
Fingers crossed it lasts and brings a little extra joy to my son.
It worked. It's like I remember when I was in university, I tried to show up to my teachers that I can fix the computer. And what I did, I just took a part out and then cleaned it all out, all the dust out, and then it worked. Probably the same this